So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today we are going to see the unboxing and first impressions of the POCO F3 GT. So let's get started. So here's the box, guys. So let's see the backside information. So let's remove the all yellow. SIM card tool, documentation, and 3.5 mm dongle. Case. Let's see the case quality. Yeah, looking good. So let's see the phone. Yeah, looking good. 67-watt brick, and which is MIs, and here's the cable which is given for the gaming vibe. So let's remove it. Yeah, here it's given in the L shape so that it won't interfere you while you're gaming. Yeah. But it's looking like a third-party cable according to the charger and the wire, so no problem. So let's keep it aside. Let's look at the phone first. So here's the phone, guys. I think you guys can see it. POCO in the middle, and freezing and speediest. Yeah. So let's switch on it. I think you can see the screen. So let's set it up first. The phone is completely set up now. So looking at the display is awesome. Yeah, even the brightness is somewhat great. I don't think this camera is doing just fine for showing the brightness. So even the brightness is more. So talking about the screen to body ratio, all sides, every 4 sides are equal in their length. Looking good. So talking about the design, so Gorilla Glass 5, aluminum frame body, and even you can see the camera bump is just a little up, that's it. Yeah, it's not a matte type, so fingerprints are visible here. So here's the LED flash which is in a thunder shape. So another special feature is there, let me show you. RGB lighting, you can customize this for game opening and charging, incoming calls and notifications for now. So talking about the triggers, when you open the triggers both at a time, directly gaming mode will be open. Yeah. So let's see the sound quality too. Even the colors are looking great. Speakers are amazing. As it's a turbo AMOLED and 10-bit display, everything looks great. So let's do a small audio test now. So talking about the specifications, this phone packs a Dimensity 1200 processor, which is the topmost processor in the Dimensity chipset range, and every software is also updated. You can see Android version 11, MIUI 12.5, and it's having 128GB storage, which is 7.8GB occupied by the system apps. So everything is great. So first, when you are opening the phone will be in 60Hz display and normal mode. So I have changed it into 120Hz display and dark mode too. So everything is great. 120Hz display feels really smooth. So talking about the camera, front there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and backside there is a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel macro. So according to the specifications of a gaming smartphone, I think cameras are good. Let's see some camera samples. Even the case quality is good, it fits perfectly, you know. So even the gaming triggers can be accessed easily, fingerprint sensor too. Even charging cable is given in a way that it won't interfere us while gaming, so it fits perfectly in hand and to phone too. Talking about the battery, it packs a 5065 mAh, which is a decent capacity for a gaming phone, so that you can charge it only once a day or twice a day. Talking about the triggers, they have given mechanical triggers which operate by using magnets. So when we close the triggers, the position of magnets will be like south north south north, so that the triggers will move inside completely into the frame. So when we open, the position of the magnets will be like south south north north, so that the triggers retract back when we use it, and by this durability of the triggers is also increasing. So this is the first impression of the POCO F3 GT. Everything looks great for the price. So gaming review of this phone will be soon in our channel. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.